How to add or remove drivers on your State Farm policy. Let's get started. First up, head towards the website of State Farm. Then, click on the option of Login. Once you're in the login page, you can go ahead and type in your credentials and then log into your account. After you log in, select the auto insurance policy for which you want to add a driver. Look for an option to add a driver under your policy details or account settings. Fill in the required details about the new driver, including their name, date of birth, and driver's license number. Review the entered information and submit the request. You might need to provide additional documentation or complete a verification process. Once processed, State Farm will notify you about the successful addition of the new driver to your policy. Likewise, in order to remove the driver, click on the auto insurance policy from which you want to remove a driver. Find the option to remove a driver, usually found in your policy details or account settings. Select the driver you wish to remove from the list of current drivers. Confirm your choice and submit the removal request. State Farm might ask for additional confirmation or provide further instructions. Once the process is complete, you will receive confirmation from State Farm about the removal of the driver from your policy. So this way you can easily add or remove drivers on your State Farm policy. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.